If your OneDrive is not syncing properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that you can try right now. We'll start with the fastest solution, then move through a few deeper fixes if the issue keeps coming back. This is a great way to solve common OneDrive sync problems, like files stuck pending, missing uploads, or sync errors showing in the taskbar. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, look at the Microsoft OneDrive cloud icon in your taskbar. This icon tells you whether OneDrive is connected and syncing properly. Click it once and check carefully for any sync error messages, warning icons, or notifications. If you see an error, that's your first clue about what's causing the problem. Sometimes the issue is temporary, and sometimes OneDrive just needs a quick refresh to start syncing again. Next, click the gear icon in the OneDrive panel. This opens the settings and gives you access to the built-in troubleshooting options. From here, click Pause Syncing and choose 2 hours. Pausing syncing can help reset a stuck connection and give OneDrive a moment to clear out temporary glitches. After you pause it, wait about 5 minutes. This short wait is important because it gives the app time to settle before you turn syncing back on. After a few minutes, click the cloud icon again, then select Resume Syncing. In many cases, this alone is enough to fix the issue. If OneDrive was stuck in a loop or temporarily frozen, pausing and resuming can kick it back into action and get your files moving again. If syncing still is not working, don't panic, we have the next fix. Click the cloud icon again, then click the gear icon once more, and this time choose Quit OneDrive. Quitting the app fully closes it in the background and can clear out more stubborn sync problems. Once OneDrive is closed, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch it again. This is basically a fresh restart for the app, and it often helps restore normal syncing behavior. If the problem is still happening after that, we'll try a reset. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type this exact command: C:\program files \Microsoft OneDrive \OneDrive.exe/reset. Then press Enter. This reset command tells OneDrive to rebuild its sync connection and clear out certain internal issues. After you run it, wait 1 to 2 minutes. In some cases, OneDrive will reopen automatically. If it does not, just open OneDrive again manually from the Start menu. At this point, OneDrive should begin reconnecting and syncing your files again. If it still is not behaving correctly, the final step is to install the latest version. Go to the official Microsoft OneDrive download page, download the newest version, install the update, and sign in again if you're prompted. Updating OneDrive can fix bugs, compatibility issues, and old sync problems that may not be solved by a restart or reset. So to recap, the quickest fix is to check for errors, pause syncing, wait a few minutes, and resume syncing. If that doesn't work, quit OneDrive and reopen it. If the issue is still there, use the reset command. And if needed, update to the latest version from Microsoft. These steps solve a lot of common OneDrive sync issues without needing complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more OneDrive tips and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.